you're tired of this beige, clean girl, soft girl aesthetic and you want some color back and some personality, then let me show you some cool spring summer outfit ideas you can try. Hey my boldies, if you're new here, my name is Sarah. I do fashion, curls, lifestyle and travel videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, then you're right here. So today I wanted to start a series that has been on my heart for a while and I'm so glad that I can finally start it. I want to show you how to style color, especially for spring summer coming up now. I think this is the first episode. I already did a beginner's guide on how to wear color, so if you haven't seen that, watch it after this video. I'll link it. But if you want to see some really cool outfit ideas, then this is the right video for you. Spring and summer is around the corner, so what a perfect time to show you how you can combine different colors together. Since it's fashion week right now, I've seen that there's a lot more color coming. I'm so glad we're finally here. Clean girl beige aesthetic is slowly leaving. The runway show for winter this year has been a lot of color blocking as well. Gucci, for instance, had cool color combinations with green, violet, oranges, mint with brown. A lot of red is still on the runways. Bold, orange, blues with red, so mixing primary colors as well as monochromatic looks in burgundy, brown, olives. For spring, especially pastels like light pink with mint. So I'm really happy that we finally get a bit more into color, and I know we shouldn't care at all. We should anywhere wear what we want, even if sad beige is in. But I think it still helps us to find colorful clothing in the stores when these colors are trending. So with that in mind, let's get right into the outfits. The first color combo I love, and I also saw on the Gucci runway show for winter, is lime green mixed with a violet or dark purple. I think this color combo is so flattering. It's really outstanding. This is a combination that is for a more bolder person. So I paired this lime green dress that I thrifted. So happy about this find. And this dark purple blazer I got from Mango. You could stop at that, but I wanted to go all out and I paired it with some violet tights and my most favorite Bottega heels. And the bag is a Blue Girl bag, vintage. I love the combination. The only green thing is the dress. Not an issue that the purple and violets have like different shades. They still go well, pretty well. If you wanted, you could leave the tights out and the heels and wear like regular tights or no tights and then some neutral boots. But I love my colors and I wanted to show you how it looks like when you wear colorful tights as well. They're not as hard to style as you would think. I think this color combo is so flattering for spring, but I can also imagine to wear this in winter. It's the perfect transition color combo also, since it is still a bit cool. The colors fit the season very well. If you're not that bold yet, you can also just use these colors in accessories. Just the dress in green and then having some violet accessories such as a bag or earrings or a necklace or something like that. You can really slowly incorporate color. You don't have to like go all out, but I think this color combo is so elite and so underrated. Especially if you have darker skin, I feel like this combo hits really well. It's giving chic but not boring, and we love that here. So the next color combo is really a true spring fit. It's butter yellow or lemongrass yellow mixed with a really nice soft pink. This is perfect when the weather is getting warmer, also for summer. I think this is a great color combo if you're a beginner and you don't want to go all out yet. Since they're like pastel-y colors, they're not so in your face, easy to wear, fits every skin tone, any hair color. So I just simply paired this butter yellow top that I got from Zara with some jeans that are also from Zara. They have this really cool pattern on it, so it's like a brown and yellow. And then on top, I just threw on a soft pink blouse and brought my kitten heels out because I'm so excited to wear open toe shoes again, and a nice small clutch. This is a perfect outfit for so many occasions. You could go to brunch, you could have a very casual meeting, you can meet your friends in this outfit, you can, I don't know, so many million ways to wear this outfit too. It's chic with the heels and with the bag, but it's still very toned down since you're wearing jeans and a very casual way of the blouse. And I love this kind of outfits. These are like my main go-to outfits because it's just practical. It's cute, and you won't feel uncomfortable. Really recommend you this color combo. If you have never tried it, Butter Yellow is so easy to style with so many colors. It also fits with neutrals such as brown or other pastel-y colors such as light blue, for example, like the blue I'm wearing right now. Or also light green, but also, and I mean, I don't want to go too far, it would fit with a red, for example, a really strong cherry red. Oh my god, that color combo is so good. I'll include an outfit idea in my next video. Elite, honestly, for spring summer, but I love mixing pastels. It's so easy. Definitely recommend you. Next up, we have orange and a light blue. This is the outfit I'm wearing right now. So I thrifted this beautiful light blue blazer. Literally, it was such a bargain, and it's really good quality. I love this light blue color. Mixed with a more bolder color as well. So I thought orange fits very well. You could also do red, but that would be even more. Blue and orange is also a very unexpected color combo. You wouldn't think first hand of. That's why I wanted to mention it. So I paired it also with a long midi skirt and some boots since it can be still a bit cold in spring. And also got these really beautiful long gold earrings. They're from Zara, just to have like a statement jewelry. And then also with a light blue bag that I got thrifted in Milan when I was at Fashion Week. If you haven't seen my Fashion Week vlog, then definitely go check it out after this video. I give you a lot of tips on how it is to be at Fashion Week for the first time as a small creator and how you can go there too. So if you're interested, go ahead there later. So yeah, light blue and orange, a very unexpected color combo, very flattering. For so many people. It's also not a color combo that's so in your face like the first one. It's a bit more toned down. It's easy to do. I'm sure you have something in orange in your closet or in blue. I really recommend you get something light blue. If you don't have a blazer, you can also just swap it out with a light blue shirt. If you don't have something like that, I'm sure your boyfriend or husband or dad has a light blue shirt in his closet, so just steal that and you can make a really cool outfit combo with that. I really feel like in spring we bring out the lighter colors, the pastels, but we can mix them with a bit more bolder colors such as orange, red, darker colors as well, neutrals. I think this is a great way if you want to incorporate more but you don't feel so comfortable yet. Get a lighter color such as light blue or butter yellow or light pink, for example, and mix it with a more bolder color, and that way you have kind of a more balanced look and you don't feel like too out there if you're not comfortable with that. So next up I have a color combo that's more leaned back. It's a brown, which is such a trending color. It kind of took over black and I love it because brown is just such a good neutral color. And I mixed it with a sage green. Sage green is also making a huge comeback if you haven't seen it already. Sage is such a good color for people also with darker hair or darker skin tone. It's super flattering. So I got a very like casual office look. I know that not everywhere you would wear this to the office, but it still gives me this like casual meeting or office vibe. So I paired this sage green top with these leopard pants, and leopard is still going strong. I must say leopard was always my favorite animal print, so I'll be always wearing leopards. So I'm happy that I could stock up on these leopard pants. I know I'll be wearing them even when they're not in trend anymore. Then I paired it with some very simple ankle boots, also in a brown. They're square toed, and a beautiful brown bucket bag. Bucket bags and bigger bags are also super trendy. If you're into that, now is your time. And on top I threw over a olive green blazer. So I just wanted to show you that you can also mix different shades of green. It doesn't have to be all in one range. Olive green and sage green are of course different, but they still go very well together, and it gives a more dynamic look to the outfit and kind of brings all colors together because it looks like the green fades into the brown. It's also great for when it's like a cooler day and you don't feel like wearing super summery colors or springy colors yet. These jeans are literally my most favorite at the moment. I wear them like every single day because they are such an eye catcher without doing too much. Since they're still jeans, you can really style them up and down in so many different ways. Style them with any color, and that's why I love leopard and brown as well. Brown you can just style with any color, it will just fit no matter what. So yeah, this is a very cool girl office look. You can go out with this look. You look very put together, chic, but you're still not boring, which I love, or we love here. And lastly, I wanted to show you a color combo that's kind of contrasty. So I chose a gray that is a neutral. I don't wear a lot of neutrals, but when I do, I mix it with the more bold colors. I got this one shoulder top at a random sale at Zara, and then I paired it with a beautiful red color that is just in your face. I think you can bring in color so well with accessories, as I mentioned, and I did it in this outfit with my red bag. So I just wanted to show you that you don't have to be out there all the time. If you're scared of it, use accessories. It's the best way. I love this alpaca wool texture with the other textures like the leather bag. It just gives, in my opinion, I love a blazer in spring. It often gives you the perfect warmth. You don't need a jacket necessarily always. Sometimes towards summer it's enough to wear a blazer. So I think it gives a very chic vibe, and it's also practical. I think spring is the time I wear my blazers most. For some reason in winter I rarely wear it because I have like so many layers and it just annoys me. But in spring it's pretty good because you never know. It can rain the one moment, then the sun is shining, and it's just perfect to just throw it on. You can also throw a leather jacket on top and you'll be good to go. So these are my spring color combos. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite combo. If there's any combo you want to see from me, then definitely comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Next week you will see more color combos coming. Watch my how to wear color beginners guide if you are more into the topic, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!